1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
You know, when I arrived in the US last month, I really didn't expect the airport to be so stressful. I almost felt my heart racing at immigration.
Oh, wow. What happened? Did the officer ask you a lot of questions?
He did. I was nervous, but I tried to stay calm and answer everything clearly.
I can imagine. What was the first thing he asked you?
He looked at my passport and asked, "Is this your first time in the US?" Then he asked, "What's the purpose of your trip?"
That's an important one. What did you tell him?
I said, "I'm here on vacation." Then he asked, "Where are you staying?"
And you had your hotel information ready, right?
Yes. I told him, "I'm staying at a hotel." Then he asked, "How long are you staying?"
That's another question that can make you nervous. What did you say?
I said, "I'm staying for 10 days. Then he asked, "Do you have a return ticket?"
Good thing you had it ready. Did you show it on your phone?
Yes. I showed him the ticket on my phone. Then he asked, "What do you do for work?"
That's a common question too. What did you tell him?
I told him, "I work in marketing." Then he asked, "Are you traveling alone?"
And by that point, were you still feeling nervous?
Definitely. My hands were sweating, but I reminded myself to speak slowly and keep my answers short and clear.
That's a good tip. Did you practice your answers before the trip?
A little. I thought about where I was staying, how long I was staying, and what I was going to do during my trip.
That probably helped you feel more prepared.
It really did. After all the questions, the officer looked at my passport for a few seconds. Those seconds felt like forever.
Oh, I know that feeling. What happened next?
He finally handed my passport back and said, "Enjoy your trip." I was so relieved.
So what did you learn from the experience?
I learned that being prepared makes a big difference. You don't need perfect English. Just stay calm, understand the question, and give a clear answer.
That's great advice. Being nervous is normal, but knowing what to expect can make the whole experience much easier.
Exactly. I was nervous because I didn't know what to expect, but once I started answering, I felt much more confident.
And now you know exactly what to expect if you go through immigration again.